My dear students, be ready for the poem. In this poem, the poetess is telling about the story of her mother's portrait. Starting line of the poem, listen carefully. The cardboard shows me how it was when two girls cousins went paddling, each one holding one of my mother's hands, and see the big girl, some 20 years or so. All three stood still to smile through their hair. At the uncle with the camera, a sweet face, my mother's that was before I was born, and the sea which appears to have changed less, washed their terribly transient feet. Now in Hindi, यहाँ पर कवित्री बता रही है कि जो कार्डबोर्ड मेरे मदर का है वह मुझे बताता है कि उस समय का दृश्य बता रहा है कि जब दो चचेरी बहनें समुद्र की यात्रा करने के लिए गई थी, और जब वो गई थी तो उस समय उनका चलने का ढंग कैसा था, क्या वे दर्शा रही थी, क्या दृश्य था। प्रत्येक ने, दोनों बहनों में से प्रत्येक ने मेरी माँ का हाथ पकड़ी हुई थी, और जो बड़ी लड़की थी उसकी अवस्था लगभग 12 वर्ष की थी, और वे तीनों शांत होकर के प्रसन्नतापूर्वक अपने बालों को हटाकर मुस्कुराते हुए चाचा के साथ खड़ी थीं, और वहाँ पर चाचा उस समय उसके कैमरे को लिए हुए थे। और उस सीन को देख करके वो जो कवित्री है वो बता रही है कि ये जो माँ का मेरे फोटो फ्रेम है यह मेरे जन्म के पहले का है, जो दीदी का सुंदर लग रहा है। ऐसा प्यारा चेहरा जो कि मेरे जन्म से पहले मेरी माँ का था, और वह समुद्र जिसमें कि बहुत सब कुछ बदल चुका था, लेकिन वह भी मेरे उस माँ के फोटो फ्रेम की को जो पैर था उसको धो रहा था। तो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लिसन केयरफुली अबाउट द पोएम। द कार्डबोर्ड shows me how it was. What is the scene and situation of the cardboard? It was giving me appearance, and that time with my mother, two cousin sisters went there, and they were very happy holding my mother's hand, and see the big girl, some 12 years or so between them. The age of the big girl was 12 years, and there, standing the side of seashore, both of two girls and mother, smiling there, carrying the hair, standing in the side of seashore with uncle, and her uncle had a camera. After this, the poetess telling that the face of my mother was very sweet, very attractive. I think that this picture was related to my before birth, and the scene and situation of the sea is without changing. In present time, it was also washing the feet of my mother. Second stanza of the poem. Some 20-30 years later, she laughed at the snapshots she Beatty and Dolly. It is the story of some 20 and 30 years, यानी लगभग 20 या 30 वर्ष के पश्चात वह फोटो फ्रेम को देख करके दोनों लड़कियां बेली और डॉली वे हंस रही थी, खुश थी, और सी वुड से वे कहा करती थी एंड लुक और देखा करती थी हाउ अट्रैक्टिव आर ब्यूटीफुल सीन ऑफ माई मदर. It was opportunity for us to say something and dressed for the beach. They went in the side of seashore because it was time of holiday. In holiday time, both of them went there to pass her happy life, happy time. The sea holiday was her past, mine in her laughter, both weary with the labored easy of loss. They were happy there. वे लोग वहाँ पर खुश थे, प्रसन्न थे. बेटी और डोली जो लड़कियाँ थी उन्होंने हमें समुद्र किनारे जाने के लिए तैयार कहा. समुद्र पर जाने वाला अवकाश मेरी माँ का अतीत का समय था. मेरे लिए उनकी हंसी अतीत थी. दोनों लेखिका और उसकी माँ की अतीत में हुए हानि या पतन से वह अत्यधिक दुखी थी और उससे गुजरने के लिए या व्यतीत करने के लिए दोनों संघर्ष कर रही थी. इट वॉज द समथिंग समरी स्टोरी ऑफ द पोएम फोटो फ्रेम. वंस अगेन, some 20-30 years later, later means बाद में, लगभग, and here the poetess is telling that it is the story of some 20 and 30 years later, and while she saw the snapshot means picture of my mother, Betty and Dolly were happy. And when they went to the seashore, they were fully dressed. It was the holiday time of my mother. They went there. They were laughing. By laughing, they were trying to forgetting their past tragedy, which was totally upset. Now, third stanza of the poem. Now she has been dead nearly as many years as that girl lived, and of these circumstances there is nothing to say at all. Its silence silences. Now she has been dead nearly as many years. She is not alive. She has died. As that girl lived, all of his circumstances, परिस्थितियाँ, there is nothing to say. There was nothing to say about the condition of the lady or photo frame. It means the scene and situation are very tragical. They were not happy about this situation. And here the refers about the generation, about the reality, about the death. Death is the end of life. After death, there is nothing to say or to discuss. In this way, in the poem, the poetess particularly describing about the photo frame of her mother. She loved her mother very much, but unfortunately, her mother had died. She had sorrow, but she can do nothing. Only by writing the poem, she could express her heartly desire. Once again, try to learn the poem. Very easy poem, short poem, particularly about the personal life of mother and daughter. Thank you. Be happy.